So this is chapter 60 on the circumference of a circle. So this chapter is pretty simple. We're just working on one thing, the circumference of a circle. So first of all, let's understand the different parts of a circle. So the circumference, we often call it just a big C, is the distance around the circle. So if we had a circular fence, the circular fence describes the circumference. The radius, which we often just label it as little r, is the distance from the center of the circle all the way to the circumference, to the edge. Now, the diameter, little d, is the distance across. So we're thinking about it from here at the center to one end and then to the other. So if you think about it, two radiuses makes one diameter. Or you can think of it like this, that one diameter, half of a diameter is equal to one radius. And then finally, the last part to understand is a portion of the circumference that we're looking at, this little part, is an arc, because it's slightly round. So if I drew a little triangle, a piece of pie, this part outside, on the edge where the circumference is, that little portion is called an arc. So the pizza crust. Now, here's what you need to know about circumference. You need to just understand the circumference can be found simply by multiplying the diameter of a circle times pi. Now, if we actually typed pi into our calculators, pi is an irrational number that goes on and on and on. We often know it as 3.14159265359, and it just keeps going. Now, for the sake of doing this and having consistent calculations, we're going to go ahead and just call pi 3.14. So your circumference is your diameter times pi, which is just 3.14. Another way to look at your circumference is also knowing that circumference is the same as pi, which is 3.14, times 2 times your radius. Because if you think about it, 2 times your radius, that's the same thing as your diameter. So depending on what the problem gives you, you can either use the diameter or the radius. So now that you have these two formulas, can you use it to solve the problems? So pause. So in the first problem, your circumference is going to be pi times diameter, which is simply 3.14 times 6. 3.14 times 6 will lead you to 18.84. And because it's just distance around the circle, your unit is just centimeters, not centimeters squared. It's not area. Now for your radius, it's c is equal to pi times 2r. So 3.14 times 2 times 3.5 will give you 21.98 meters. And that's it.